Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to search for received presentations in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the recent updates. If you've ever struggled to find a presentation that someone shared with you, this step-by-step process will make it a breeze. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this is essential for accessing your files. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the advanced search icon located at the right end of the search bar. This icon looks like a funnel or a downward arrow. Clicking on it opens up additional search options that will help you narrow down your results effectively. Next, in the Type drop-down menu, select Presentations. This filter will ensure that you only see presentation files, making it much easier to locate what you're looking for. Now, let's refine our search further. In the Owner drop-down menu, choose Not Owned by Me. This option is crucial because it filters out all the presentations that you created and shows only those shared with you by others. This way, you'll be able to focus solely on the files that others have sent your way. After setting these filters, click on the Search button or simply hit Enter. Google Drive will now display a list of presentations that meet your criteria. Take a moment to scroll through the results and find the presentation you want. You can also use keywords in the search bar if you remember part of the title or content of the presentation, which can help you locate it even faster. Once you find the presentation, you can click on it to open and view its contents. If you need to share it or make a copy for yourself, just right-click on the file and choose the appropriate option from the context menu, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently search for and locate presentations shared with you in Google Drive. No more endless scrolling through your files, just quick access to what you need. Thank you for joining me today. Happy searching.